if I say that, she's going to say no, and I won't have, I won't get the box for the next 5 years. Yo, what's up, my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today I am telling you 4 triggers to make a woman submit. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into it. Number 1, challenge her opinion. Guys, the biggest mistake men are doing out here is just agreeing with women on everything, because they are desperate. They want to get the booty. People are on a drought out here, and women, even though they will give you the box, they won't respect you. They won't give it to you like the way they give it to the guys they submit to, and the guys who challenge their opinion. Let's say she says something stupid. You call out, you say, I think that's a stupid idea. And she's like, whoa. How can this guy talk to me like that? Because not many guys have the balls to call out something like that. Because everyone out here is trying to make women happy. If I say that, she's going to say no, and I won't have, I won't get the box for the next 5 years. Bro, when you think you have offended her, that is when she's attracted to you more, because now she's thinking, this guy has a backbone. This is not a guy that I can walk all over. Because you have to understand the things that are happening subconsciously. Consciously, well, on the surface level, she might act like, I'm offended, whatever. But deep down, she's thinking, this guy has a backbone. This guy is not a guy that, I can just do anything I want. I have to respect this guy. This guy can, the fact that you can call her and tell her that, hey, I think your idea is, or you can challenge her idea. You are communicating that, hey, I know the things that I want, and I am not going to tolerate people who, try to that word has lost, but she's trying to treat you like a simp or whatever. She's going to submit to you because you are communicating to her that I know my things, I know the way things work, I know how the world works, and I can lead you. Because women only submit to men who can lead, who can tell her, now this is what you're going to do, this is where we are headed. I want you to do this. I want us to go here. Number 2, teasing her. Guys, teasing a woman is the easiest way to make her submit, because you are communicating, number 1, hey, your beauty is not really that mind-blowing to me. I am not really interested in your beauty. What else do you have? So by you poking at her, you might make fun of her hair, make fun of her nails. You are teasing her to show her that I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid to, play with you, because, hey, I know how to have fun. Number 2, the fact that you know how to have fun. You see, when you can make jokes about her, you are telling her that, hey, I am a fun guy. And women just want to have a good time. So she's going to submit to you, because now men create good times, women tag along for the good times. Even though they can go have fun with, girls' night or whatever. It is different when the fun all she has to do is avail herself. You just come and everything else will be done. Will be done. So the fact that you are not afraid of her. Most men out here are afraid of women. They are afraid of, they're afraid of, I don't know, women. If you're afraid of a woman and you're watching me right now, has a woman ever beaten you? Or why are you afraid of women? Well, I'm talking, well, I understand. Number 3, when you check her, guys, women will always try to test the waters. So let's say you're on a date, she comes late. She's trying to test the water to see where the boundaries are. And if you don't check her behavior, she will continue pushing the boundaries to see where your breaking point is. So when you check her, the instant she misbehaves, you punish her. Then she knows from the get-go, she knows, whoa, this is not a guy to mess with. Because you have a backbone. You have a spine. You know what you want. You know your boundaries. If she disrespects you, you call her out instantly. You don't allow, because this is what men don't understand. The mistake is not her trying to test the water. The mistake is testing the water after you know where the boundary is. Say for example, you tell her that, hey, I don't really appreciate people who are late. I respect my time and I expect the same from you. The next time she comes late, the appropriate thing to do is just leave, because you don't tolerate things like that. But the moment you stay and wait for her, then she knows that you are weak. She knows that, hey, I got you here at my finger. I can control you with my little finger now. You're my puppet. So checking a woman and not being afraid of leaving, that communicates that, hey, if you don't submit, then I will go find someone else who will. Because women are supposed to be agreeable. Women are supposed to make your life easy. So if she's trying to give you headaches, my guy, move on. You have a lot of things that give you headaches. There are a lot of things out here that you are trying to accomplish, and they are not easy. So if she's not coming to make your life easier, then leave, my guy, leave. So checking her will make sure, will guarantee you that she will submit. Last but not the least, it's just leaving. Being the guy who is able to leave. Now, let me give you an example. Say a girl comes over to your place and she's, she tries to play games with you. The fact that you can tell her to go back home communicates a lot of strength, because you are communicating that, hey, whether you give me the box or not, I'm fine. I can get it somewhere else. What I want is someone who is cooperative, someone who is submissive, someone who will make my life easier. If you're not going to do that, then why bother? I can sleep alone with no pressure. Imagine you sleeping on a bed with a woman who is giving you headaches. That is you disrespecting yourself. So guys, having the power to leave, having the power to ask her to leave or get yourself out of that situation communicates that, hey, this is not the only thing that I have going on. I have other things going on. So it's your loss. It's your loss. Because guys, the fact that you are a man, that is value. And women will always chase high value guys. So leaving communicates that I'm a high value guy, I'm a high value guy. Don't play games with me. And if she comes and, well, she will obviously come. She will come back if you don't chase her. 99% of the time, the women chase you because now they are thinking, whoa, I made a mistake. If she comes and she's in your life, and well, you accept her back into your life, do you really think she will start playing games with you? She will submit. In fact, she will be the most submissive woman, because she knows that, hey, this guy is that word. Oh, this guy is a flight risk. Yes, this guy is a flight risk. This guy can leave anytime. So anyway, guys, hopefully you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.